In this video, we are going to show you 10 unmissable attractions for those traveling to Positano for the first time. We will talk about the main beaches, churches, viewpoints, historic streets, boat tours, nearby islands, trails, and everything that cannot be left out of your itinerary. Already with ticket prices, practical tips, where to go, what to do, and how to make the most of it. So let's go! Positano is considered the jewel of the Amalfi Coast. Built on a cliffside overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea, it is famous for its colorful houses, paradise beaches, streets full of shops, and Italian gastronomy with sea views. It is a romantic and charming destination, but also offers experiences for all types of travelers. The first attraction is relaxing at the Spiaggia Grande, Positano's main beach. The public area is free, but renting a sunbed and umbrella costs an average of $24 per day. The second attraction is visiting the Church of Santa Maria Assunta, famous for its colorful tiled dome and the Byzantine icon of the Black Madonna. Entry is free, and it is located right next to Spiaggia Grande. The third attraction is walking along the Via dei Mulini, Positano's main street, full of clothing shops, ceramics, limoncello, and charming cafes. The walk is free, but set aside around $16 for shopping and snacks. But don't worry, in the description of the video and here on the QR code on the corner of the screen, we will leave the link of the website where we always buy tickets and tours for the lowest price. It is the largest tours website in the world and has practically everything there. Tickets for all attractions, tours, and excursions to nearby cities and places worth visiting. All at the lowest price, and you can buy in any currency, saving on fees. And they have free tours that are great. And remember that in this link below, we always organize everything you need to plan your trip at the lowest price. The sites we use to plan our trips, and that have everything much cheaper. Travel SIM card, travel insurance for half the price, tickets for all attractions, good and cheap hotels we have already stayed in, cheap car rental, and the global account to take money abroad paying much less in fees. And the links already include automatic discounts because we are always updating them. So save and use this page that will make your trip much easier. The fourth attraction is visiting the Spiaggia di Fornio, a smaller and quieter beach than Spiaggia Grande. The public area is free, and renting a chair and umbrella costs an average of $20 per day. The fifth attraction is taking a boat tour along the Amalfi Coast, departing from Positano and passing by beaches, cliffs, and caves. Tours cost an average of $60 per person. The sixth attraction is visiting the island of Capri, which is about an hour away by boat from Positano. The ferry costs an average of $30 each way, and once there, you can visit the Blue Grotto, which costs around $16. And for those who are new here on the channel, welcome. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you are enjoying this, subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps us a lot. The seventh attraction is hiking the famous Sentiero degli Dei, the Path of the Gods, which connects Positano to the village of Aggerola, passing through spectacular landscapes. The trail is free and has a moderate difficulty level. The eighth attraction is climbing to the viewpoints of Nocelle, a small village above Positano that offers incredible views of the coast. Access is free, but be prepared to climb stairs or take local transport. The ninth attraction is visiting the beachwear and ceramic shops of Positano, which are very famous and produce exclusive pieces. The visit is free, but it is worth setting aside around $20 to take souvenirs home. And finally, the 10th attraction is enjoying the local gastronomy. Seaside restaurants serve typical dishes such as spaghetti alle vongole and fresh seafood. Dinner for two at a restaurant with a view costs an average of $80. The best area to stay in Positano is in the central area, near Spiaggia Grande and Via dei Mulini, where you will be close to the beach, shops, and restaurants. Another good option is staying in Nocelle, which is quieter and offers spectacular views. We created a personalized map which shows exactly what are the best areas to stay there. In the description of the video and on the QR code on the screen, we will leave the link with the page that has this map, and also the hotels we have already stayed in, which were great, including one that was good, very cheap, and very well located. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel to always travel more and better around the world. Thank you very much and have a good trip.